Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. IntelliJ updated to a recent version and an active Copilot subscription. Once done, open Settings, go to Plugins, search for GitHub Copilot and install it. After installation, restart IntelliJ and sign in with your GitHub credentials. This links the IDE to your Copilot license and permissions. Make sure to grant the plugin repository access and enable it for the specific project. Now you have the plugin installed and authenticated, so you can begin using suggestions in your editor. You'll next configure usage preferences and learn the key actions. Open Settings Tools GitHub Copilot to set suggestion frequency, telemetry, and file type scope. Once configured, try typing a descriptive comment or function signature. Copilot previews will appear inline. Accept with Tab or use the keyboard shortcut for inline completion. Request alternatives when a suggestion misses the mark. Use more context before the cursor so suggestions are relevant. And disable suggestions in binary or config files to reduce noise. You finish by validating that Copilot works in your workflow. Write a few small functions and accept or refine suggestions, then expand to larger code. Make sure to pair Copilot output with tests and reviews. It speeds coding but does not replace human verification. If performance slows, limit Copilot to active languages or disable background suggestions. And if suggestions stop appearing, reinstall the plugin and re-authenticate your GitHub account. This resolves most connectivity or permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.